Okay, February, what, 3rd, 4th, 2021. This is going to be a follow-up of my review of these two generator inverters. We're being aggravated by a plane up there. The Honda is 8 years old. I had to replace the carburetor, plug, air cleaner, and the fuel and vapor lines on it. It was about 2 months since it had been cranked and took about 10 pulls yesterday and then cranked up and ran fine. This Cummins Onan is brand new. I bought it because it's such a good price. So far it has been a huge disappointment. Last time I cranked it was about a month ago and used it in South Georgia for about 15 minutes. Yesterday when I tried to crank it, it had been like I said, about a month. I pulled on it about 4 different times over a period of 30 minutes and never could get it to crank. Finally sprayed some starter fluid in it, and on about the 3rd pull it hit, and I pulled it once or twice more and it finally cranked. It still didn't smooth out completely. Even after I let it warm up, it was still missing just a little bit. So we're going to try them again both today and see how they do. But my advice right now would be to buy just about anything but a Cummins Onan. If you're out in the woods and it's cold and you want power, I don't know that this thing's going to do you any good. Okay, the Honda will turn the gas on. We will move the choke over. We will turn the engine on. And I'll set the camera down and see if it'll crank. On the Onan Cummins, you don't have a gas. It's a vented cap, and that cap is very difficult to get on and off decently. It is such a poor design. It's pitiful. But we will turn the gas to choke, and that's all we have to do on it. We're going to set both of them to the full mode, not the economy mode. And I'm going to try the Honda first and then the Onan, but I'll have to put the camera down. Okay, second pull, it cranked right up. It's running perfect. I'm going to turn it down to the economy mode. Now we will try the Cummins Onan. Okay, the Cummins Onan cranked very first pull this time. Like you would think it would, being brand new. So I will probably do another update in a while, a few weeks or whatever. Turn the Honda off first. Maybe the Onan Cummins just needs to be broke in more. I don't know. But that's not going to help that gas cap getting on and off any better. It's very hard to get on without cross-threading it. Very difficult to get off. I had to take a pair of large channel locks yesterday to get it off. I couldn't grab it with both hands and not get it off. Okay, so I'll cut it off now and we'll move on to something else.